CM Stock Analysis, July 2025. Introduction. Welcome back to the channel. Your support helps fund girls' education, so thank you for watching. Today, we're analyzing CM on NYSE, with data up to July 9, 2025. CM closed at $72.74, up 27.7% from its April low of $56.96. Let's break down the technicals, price action, and what's next for this stock. Opening price context. On July 9, 2025, CM closed at $72.74, up 1.5% from an open of $71.72, with a high of $72.76 and a low of $71.72. Since its April low of $56.96, CM has rallied 27.7%. Driven by consistent buying and a volume surge in late June. Is this momentum sustainable, or are we due for a pullback? Let's dive into the details. Trend analysis. CM is in a robust uptrend, trading above its key moving averages. The 5-day SMA is $71.58, 10-day SMA at $70.82, 20-day SMA at $69.67, and 50-day SMA at $68.91. The exponential moving averages confirm the trend. 5-day EMA at $71.99, 10-day EMA at $71.35, 20-day EMA at $70.28, and 50-day EMA at $69.22. The stock's steady climb since April signals strong bullish sentiment, though recent highs suggest caution. Volatility and price action. Volatility has moderated, with a 14-day ATR of $1.23, indicating manageable price swings. Volume spikes include 7.08 million shares on June 25, closing at $70.19, and 3.22 million shares on June 26, closing at $70.56. Support is solid at $70 to $70.50, near the 10-day SMA, with resistance at $72.76 to $73, the recent high. CM's ability to hold above $70 after dips shows strong buyer conviction. Momentum indicators. Momentum is bullish but showing signs of slowing. The 14-day RSI at 76.41 is nearing overbought territory, suggesting caution for new entries. The MACD is positive, with the MACD line at $1.46 above the signal line at $1.38, but a narrowing histogram at 0.08 indicates fading momentum. The Arun oscillator at 100.0, with a run up at 100.0 and a run down at 4.0, confirms recent highs but hints at a potential pause. Support and resistance levels. The Bollinger Bands show the upper band at $73, middle band 20-day SMA, at $70.01, and lower band at $67.02. CM's close at $72.74 is near the upper band, signaling potential overextension. The parabolic SCR at $67.28 supports the uptrend, while below the current price. Key support is at $70 to $70.50, with resistance at $72.76 to $73 as the next barrier. Volume and money flow. Volume trends are strong, with on-balance volume, OBV, at 19.27 million, indicating accumulation. The money flow index, MFI, at 58.10 reflects balanced buying pressure, down from a high of 86.87 on May 19. The Chaikin oscillator at 1.25 million on July 9 shows renewed buying interest. Sustained volume, like the 1.14 million shares on July 9, is key for pushing past $73. Stochastic and other oscillators. The 5-day stochastic K is at 76.99, with stochastic D at 82.58, indicating strong but not overbought momentum. The Williams percent R at -0.46 is near overbought, suggesting a possible short-term pullback. The ultimate oscillator at 69.82 reflects solid momentum. The CCI at 129.15 is elevated, pointing to a potential dip to the $70 to $70.50 support zone. Interesting insight. Here's an intriguing fact. On June 25, CM saw a massive 7.08 million shares traded, closing at $70.19, breaking above the 50-day SMA. This was followed by a peak at $72.76 on July 9th, with OBV climbing to 19.27 million, signaling institutional buying. However, the RSI at 76.41 and Williams percent are at -0.46 suggests the stock is overbought short-term. A pullback to $70 could offer a low-risk entry for traders, especially if volume remains strong. Conclusion: CM's uptrend is backed by strong moving averages and volume, but indicators like RSI, Williams percent R, and a narrowing MACD histogram suggest a potential pullback to $70 to $70.50. This could be a buying opportunity for swing traders, while long-term investors can stay bullish if support holds. Watch for a break above $73 with high volume to confirm further upside. Always use stop losses to manage risk. Call to action. What do you think of CM's rally? Are you eyeing the dip or waiting for a breakout? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stock analysis. Your support empowers girls' education. Thanks for watching, and trade smart.